Hey guys, this is Junior Felix once again. I'm going to try to do a wheel swap from a Dodge A100, 1966 Dodge A100 from Matchbox. I'm going to try to rat it out by adding these rims from this shoebox. It's a pretty nice wheels it has. So I'm going to try to take the wheels off this shoebox and rat rod this 1966 Dodge A100 pickup. Well guys, this is the end product we have from the wheel swap I did with the Matchbox A100, 1966 A100. It came out pretty nice. There's the wheels. I had to do a little bit of shaving in the bottom. I had to cut the bed to fit those wheels in. And a little bit of inside of the frame, a little cutting. So there you have it. I used the wheels from the shoebox. Oops. Hot Wheels shoebox wheels into a Matchbox A100 Dodge 1966. They came out pretty nice. You see it? Good look. It's pretty low. Both wheels sides roll pretty good. You can see. Turn around. Got a little bit of detailing in the lights, the windshield wipers, the bumper. Let me know what you guys think. This is Junior Felix again. This is my third wheel swap from Hot Wheels to Matchbox this time. So there you have it.